Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate the classic Pepsi logo in Adobe Illustrator. This is super beginner friendly, so feel free to follow along step by step. First, click the ellipse tool and create circle. Then select a rectangle tool and place the shape in the middle of the circle. Now select the rectangle shape and click Effect and go to Warp Select Flag. Adjust the bend in order to meet the actual bend. Then select all shapes and go to Object and select Expand. Then, after that, we can now use the Smart Shape Builder tool. Now, select the part of the shapes. I will select the upper part and use Eyedropper tool and click the red color to copy. Same procedure after to the upper part. Now I select the lower part of the shape and use Eyedropper and click the color blue to copy. And that's it. This is the old logo of Pepsi. Now let's make also the new logo of Pepsi. Select Ellipse tool and create another circle. Now in this method, I'm going to use Pen tool to curve the line for the new logo of Pepsi. Follow the steps, I will show how. Now select all shapes and go to Object and select Expand. And now I will use again the Smart Shape Builder tool to divide the shape to fill each color. After that, select each part of the object and use Eyedropper tool to copy according to each color of the shape. And that's it! You just created the old and new Pepsi logo using Adobe Illustrator. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe, and comment which logo you want me to make next. See you in the next video.